First impressions are everything. When you see Melbourne like this, it's almost as if the city herself is smiling. Founded as a family-owned business, Andent is truly Melbourne-made. Our new state-of-the-art facility is located in Abbotsford, just 2 kilometres outside the CBD.
We are a commercial dental laboratory with a focus on crown and bridge and digital dentistry, with generations of experience in the Australian dental market.
Using advanced materials and methods, our highly skilled team of technicians specialises in the creation of high-quality, 100% Australian-made dental restorations, including crowns, bridges, implants, splints and appliances. We've been using CAD and CAM technology for more than 2 decades now, helping to better ensure precise fits. Our fast in-lab turnaround times, digital workflow solutions and order tracking assistance make things easier for you and your patients. It's about speed, convenience and being able to accurately predict turnaround times to meet your patients' expectations. Our business is all about improving your patients' smiles, in turn putting a smile on your face too. We understand that every dental practice is unique, and so we strive to meet your specific individual needs with highly personalised service. At Andent, we only use materials that meet internationally recognised standards, and all our products come with both a compliance card and warranty. At the same time, we offer the best possible value without compromising on quality. While you're the one on the front lines, we live by our philosophy. We're right behind every smile. Partner with Australia's premium dental laboratory and let us support you every step of the way. For more information, check us out online at andent.com.